Are you a nursing professional thinking to move abroad? Look no further. In this video, I'll be telling you the best countries, the top countries in the world who pay nurses extremely well. I am Jessin from Medilogics and welcome to our channel. Without taking much of your time, let's delve straight into our topic where we are telling you the top 10 countries in the world where you can work as a registered nurse and earn an exceptional salary. All the salaries that I'm mentioning are the annual average salaries and are also in US dollars. The number one country is Switzerland. Nurses in Switzerland enjoy some of the highest salary globally with an average of 95,000 US dollars per annum. You can enjoy the beautiful sceneries of Switzerland and settle down in Switzerland along with your family. The number two is United States. In United States, the annual average salary for a registered nurse is USD $80,000. USA has been the dream of many nurses and it still continues to be the same. Number three is Luxembourg. Despite being a small country, Luxembourg pays around 80,000 US dollars annually to nurses. Number four is Australia, where I live, and in Australia, the average annual salary is between $75,000 to $85,000. This number can vary, of course, based upon specialization, and in Australia, in remote locations, you get a better pay. I am biased about Australia because of the beautiful beaches and the evergreen sunshine and weather. The fifth is Norway. With a strong emphasis on healthcare, Norwegian nurses earn approximately $70,000 to $80,000 annually in their profession. The sixth country is Canada, where the nurses get around $70,000 to $80,000 annually. The seventh country is Denmark, where the nurses get $70,000 annually as their pay. The eighth country is Netherlands. Netherlands pay around $60,000 to $70,000 per year to nurses. The ninth country is Germany, where you get an average salary of $60,000 to $70,000, similar to Netherlands. Last but not the least, Singapore is our 10th country, where the nurses get paid $60,000 to $70,000 per year. Remember, these average salaries can vary based upon your skill, your clinical experience, and the location and specializations. Make sure you do a thorough research about the country, their culture, as well as their cost of living expenses. Moving to a new country is very challenging, no doubt about it, so make sure that you are well prepared to do so. I hope you got some useful information from today's video. If you did, consider subscribing to our channel right now. Until next time, my friends, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay happy.